Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I'm gonna give you a complete review and guide to using the Hiffen Flash Ball Diffuser Kit with color gels and a honeycomb grid. So let's get started. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Now last year I felt the need to have a small ball diffuser, honeycomb grid and some color gels for my flash. So I decided to buy the Hiffen Flash Ball Diffuser Kit that comes with a honeycomb grid and many color gels. I bought it from Amazon for around 1156 rupees. So it works great guys. Let me unbox it for you all.
The product comes in this box. Very neat. Let us open it. Here we have the ball diffuser. The honeycomb grid is attached to it. We have 4 color gels: red, green, blue and orange. Let me show you how to use this. I can very simply take this apart. It sticks together because of these magnets. So while attaching, make sure these 3 magnets are in contact. So I can attach them together or mix and match any way I want. If I want to use a gel, I simply remove this, slide a gel inside, make sure it is aligned to the circle magnets and close this. So simple. With this screw, I can attach it to my Godox flash. And here it is ready to use. So first I will just use the ball diffuser to show you guys. Let's click. Now with only the grid. Now both together. Both of them together are magical. Now I will insert a color gel, maybe red color. Whoa, blood red look. Let's try another color. Green maybe.
So guys, this is an amazing product. It has given me some very cool images. Not only portraits, I've tried product photography with it. It works great. And macro photography also with this it will be very good. So do check it out. The link is in the description. And if you like this review guys and found it to be honest and useful, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous photography review. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.